Hey fellas, so today is the next day after yesterday, and the date is June 6th, 2024, and it is a Thursday, and it is morning. And today I want to talk about John Jones and what he should do after he fights Stipe Miocic. So many people and John Jones has also said this that after this fight he will retire. Now, should John Jones retire? Is the question, because is not he's not very old, and he doesn't fight very often, so he should have a few more fights left in him. And now he is fighting at heavyweight, where there are a lot of contenders or potential fights for him, and those are interesting fights because he has only fought once at heavyweight. Now, so what are the interesting fights for John Jones at heavyweight? That is the topic of this video today. So now Stipe Miocic is almost guaranteed that they will fight, and but it is not a very interesting matchup because Stipe Miocic is old and inactive, and but Dana White wants to make that fight, and John Jones also wants to fight Stipe. So that is almost a done deal now, and I think they will fight this year in 2024. But after that, there are many interesting challenges for John Jones if he beats Stipe Miocic. So the obvious one is the interim champion. What is his name? Aspinwall. I think it is, yes, Tom Aspinwall is the interim champion. So that is one interesting fight because guys at at heavyweight are bigger than John Jones in terms of size, and in terms of height John Jones is very tall. So these guys are at least about as tall as John Jones. Also, John Jones doesn't have that big of a reach advantage with the heavyweights. So Aspinwall would be a very interesting fight. Now Aspinwall has to defeat Curtis Blades before we can talk about this. But he might defeat, but he may also lose because Curtis Blades is no pushover. He is a very good fighter, and I think he doesn't get the credit and the respect he deserves. The next impressive, not impressive, but interesting fight for John Jones is Curtis Blades. Now Curtis Blades has a very good chance of beating Aspinwall. They are supposed to fight next, and I don't think Aspinwall is as clear cut a favorite as many would think. Curtis Blades is very good fighter and wrestler, and I think he has a very good chance to beat Tom Aspinwall. In fact, I will pick Curtis Blades to win when the time comes for their fight. Now after that, there are other interesting options. Someone like Derrick Lewis, I think, is an interesting fight. Different styles, and someone who can sleep John Jones with one punch. Also, another interesting fight, although this will probably not happen anytime soon, is Francis Ngannou, because Ngannou is very big, very strong, and Ngannou, I don't know, people don't respect him as much, especially Dana White. But Ngannou in his second fight with Stipe showed what improvements he made, and then also against Cyril Gane, he used wrestling to defeat Cyril Gane. And I think if John Jones was to fight Francis Ngannou, then Ngannou would beat John Jones. Now I am saying all of this, but I should also mention that I am a fan of John Jones and I would like to see him win every fight. But I am sharing my honest opinion about what I think would happen against heavyweights. And I think these are three fighters that or four fighters that would be interesting matchups for John Jones. But as John Jones has said that he will retire after Stipe Miocic fight, then maybe he will retire and we will not be able to see these fights. But these are just my thoughts. I thought these are like my dream matchups, and if John Jones could beat all of these fighters, then there would be no doubt about who the greatest of all time is. Regardless of whatever your opinion about John Jones as a person or as an athlete is. So I just wanted to share this my thoughts and make a video so that you can watch and be entertained. And then after this video I will make another video. Maybe I will make a video about a different sport, because I like many sports, and beside sports I like many other things. So I might make a video about one of those things that I like, and then you can enjoy those videos. Okay guys, so now I will go and I will start to work my office, and then I will talk to you later. Bye bye and have a good day. Bye bye.